Do you want to go find the comments that you've made on TikTok videos throughout the tenure of your account? It's super easy to do, so let's just jump right into it. Go to your TikTok, and then go to your profile, which is at the bottom right-hand corner, and then from there, you want to go to the 3 lines at the top right corner. From here, you just want to go to your settings and privacy, and then scroll down to Activity Center, and go ahead to Comment History. So this is going to show you all the comments that you've made on different TikTok Reels. But if you want to, let's say, go and delete your comment, it's very easy to do. So let's go ahead and click on the comment. And that's going to bring you to the reel that you made the comment on. And all you have to do is go to the comments section, click and hold your comment, and then you'll get the option to delete that comment as well. So it's really simple to do. And it's an easy way to find your comments. And if you want to, go ahead and delete them. And that's it.